Oh my gosh, so okay, this video is 20 minutes long already, and Jeremiah, my editor, told me, dude, you gotta wrap it up. We need to take this to a part 2. So my apologies, I want to share with you what is the tool and the process that allowed me to
you said you would share it today.
And I produced and edited this video in 9 minutes utilizing this tool. I didn't get a chance to cover it in this video, but if you click on the little
box, I have to watch another video?
That is the video that's going to share with you what my secret tool
Lame,
is.
Jeff. Lame.
Check out that video.
You told me you were going to share this tool today.
All right, y'all. Catch you all in the next vid. Peace.
Fine. I'm just going to show him myself.
And here's the thing that most people don't realize when it comes to recording videos for YouTube. It takes time to record the video. It takes time to have the video edited. And especially when you are inspired by creators like Casey Neistat or Peter McKinnon that have this awesome B-roll and these amazing transitions. Those videos take time to produce. And sometimes you have ideas or information that you want to share immediately. And that's why I was determined to create my own YouTube studio that would have multiple cameras, different angles. But the best part is, like, I just wanted to be able to sit down, press record, hit publish, and put that video live on YouTube. And that's what I shared in my previous video. I shared my YouTube studio setup. And the craziest thing of all is that this video, this 15-minute recorded and edited video, is the very first video that I ever had hit trending on YouTube. It took me 15 minutes, y'all, and I hit trending. I know the suspense is killing you, so let's go ahead and find out what this tool is right now. All right, so welcome to my screen. This is what I see every single time before I start recording. And in case you haven't figured out what this tool is, it's Ecamm Live. It's no secret. Many people know about Ecamm Live, but there are still many that don't realize how awesome it is. Now with Ecamm Live, I initially purchased this thing because I thought I was going to do a lot more live streaming. Turns out I didn't, so I never really invested any time or energy trying to learn how to use it. But then I discovered that you can use Ecamm Live as a recording tool that allows you to record directly to your desktop and use multiple camera angles, and that's what makes this thing legit. Now there is a lot of free software out there. For example, OBS is one that many live streamers rave about. I've tested OBS, I've used OBS, but nothing compares with Ecamm Live. So why do I love Ecamm Live so much? It is just so easy to use. It's just intuitive. You can set up your different scenes, which basically are different cameras. So you got camera 1, which you got over here, and then you got camera 2 up here. But here's the best part. So you got camera 1, camera 2, what up camera 2? But then if you want to do screen share, you can do a screen share, which I don't think I can show you right now because I'm not actually recording. But if you want to do a screen share, you can. In addition to that, if you want to do a side-by-side, you can set up any picture-in-picture that you want. It's just that easy. All right, let me show you what it looks like to actually hit record. Now, when I hit record, we're not going live. We're recording directly to my computer. And I'm able to do this because I've got the Camlink 4K and also a Magwell USB to HDMI converter or HDMI to USB converter. One of those, but that basically allows me to hook up any DSLR directly to my computer. So you have to have that first. But that's only if you want to use a DSLR camera and then also put on one of these fancy dancy lenses that gives you this blurry background. But if you don't want to do that, and you just want to use a webcam, well, guess what? Ecamm will work with any webcam, but I think that we can agree that a DSLR looks that much better. Now, before we move on, if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That's right, hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit that like button.
Oh, that's one ginormous like.
All right, before I actually hit record, let me just show you what we're looking at here. You've got your different scenes. So these are the different camera angles, the different cameras that I've set up. You got overlays, so you can do text, you can do images, you can also do videos, and you can have them show in certain scenes, all scenes. You can set it up however you want. You got different audio levels, whatever. If you want different microphones, right now I'm using my main Rode mic up here, and this is what you see. And then the screen share option, which I can't show you until I actually hit record, but this is what it looks like. Oh, before I do that, here's the thing that I didn't know. If you look right here, it says destination. Whether you're gonna go live to Facebook, Periscope, Twitch, YouTube, or record only. So destination record only. This is the function that I didn't know you can do, but this allows you just to hit record and it records directly to your desktop. So whenever I hit record, like I'm getting ready to do right now, boom, there it is. Now we are officially live. So this is camera 2 and this is camera 1. Camera 2, camera 1. And just for fun, this is a new camera I'm testing out. This is a 4K book reader, but it allows me to record my desk. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, but that way I can also write, I can draw, I can doodle. Probably gonna lose people at that point in time, but it allows me different functions. So I can go split screen, I can go all screen, I can go camera 2, I can go camera 1, holla, go back to camera 2, and then if I want to hit screen share, if I have a window popped up like this, all right, so now when I hit screen share, this is what you see. Now this was a little bit different because I'm trying to record my screen as I'm showing you Ecamm live. So we got a lot of different things going on, but it's usually really seamless going from camera 1 to camera 2 to screen share, picture in picture, and then whatever function I want to go from there. Then after I get done recording, all I have to do is hit the finish button, end recording, and then poof, it saves it directly to my hard drive. So if you're trying to use Ecamm live and have minimal editing, obviously you kind of have to get it right. You know, if you have any major mess ups, any major screw ups, well, you can hit pause, but you're gonna have to go back and edit it. And you can't edit it in Ecamm. So you'd have to export it and upload it to whatever editing software that you want to use. So with the videos I've been able to record with minimal editing, I just got lucky, but there was some preparation, making sure I had the right tabs open if I'm doing any screen share on my computer, you know, making sure I maybe jot down some notes to have some bullet points to know that I want to say. But the other big thing is I mentioned Ecamm Live, and you don't need this tool, but it's this Stream Deck right here. This puppy allows me to go from different scenes and easily switch. Now Ecamm Live, like you can use Command 2 on your keyboard. Like you don't have to have this Stream Deck by Elgato, but it just makes it so easy. Really feels like you are in a TV studio and you just press camera 1, camera 2. You want to use your book camera, if you want to use a GoPro, if you want to use your webcam, all you have to do is press these buttons. Now the one that I got is a 15 key. So I've got 15 different options that I can use. They have a smaller one, which is 6 keys, and I think they have a bigger one. Not really sure what I would do with the bigger one, but I guess if you want to do more overlays, like more text, if you want to do more lower thirds, if you were doing live streaming and you wanted a subscribe button to pop up, if you wanted some sort of call to action, you have a lot of different options with Ecamm. And I've only scratched the surface in utilizing everything that Ecamm offers. There's some other great tutorials, other YouTube channels that are showing how you can just really maximize Ecamm and just make it super legit, even more legit than what I've been doing. And I'm excited to see what else I can do. So just imagine all these other videos that I have recorded, and I've had a professional editor. I've spent hours upon hours on just one video, and none of them have ever made it to trending. But because of Ecamm Live, I was able to record a video in this seat, hit publish, and the thing went trending, and I spent all of 15 minutes 12 minutes recording the video. All I had to do was trim it in QuickTime, save it to my desktop, upload it to YouTube, and it was good to go. And that's why I love Ecamm Live. Do you see how awesome it is? I hope so. If you haven't used it yet, you gotta check it out. I know that many people love OBS, but I promise you, the minimal investment that it takes to get Ecamm Live, you're gonna love it. Like, you are going to love it. All right, y'all, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful, hope it was entertaining. As a reminder, if you haven't joined Wealth Hacker Nation, now is that time. Hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember, it's your money, it's your life, and only you can make it awesome. Until next time, peace.